Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the best gadgets on Amazon. From must-haves to hidden gems, we're exploring the top-rated tech you need to know about. Let's get started. Now let's discuss a useful tool. Looking for the perfect gift for the DIY enthusiast or woodworker in your life? Kreg Tools has you covered. Their ingenious double-sided drill and driver bit is a real game changer. This handy tool drills pilot holes, creates counterbores, and drives Kreg screws for rock-solid joints all in one. The quick-release double-ended design makes switching between drilling and driving a snap. It's perfect for a variety of projects, from attaching false fronts to creating sturdy corner joints. It's specifically designed to work seamlessly with Kreg No. 2 square drive screws, ensuring a perfect fit every time. Kreg Tools is all about helping woodworkers bridge the gap between their vision and the finished product. This drill driver bit is a prime example of their commitment to innovative, user-friendly tools that make woodworking easier and more enjoyable. Deck building just got a whole lot easier. The drive tool from CAMO is a game changer. Whether you're fastening edges, using clips, or face fastening, this tool works on any deckboard surface. The big win? You can install decking up to 5x faster, all while standing up. No more aching back from bending over all day. This tool is designed to work exclusively with CAMO collated edge deck screws, CAMO Edge X clips, and CAMO collated face deck screws, ensuring a secure and professional finish. Built for contractors, it's fast, reliable, and comes with a 1-year warranty, giving you peace of mind. This cordless, stand-up tool attaches easily to your drill and includes 3 quick-change fastening guides for added convenience. If you're looking to speed up your deck projects and save your back, the CAMO Drive is definitely worth checking out. Click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Say goodbye to backaches from weeding. This long-handled tool is a lifesaver. At 39-inch tall, it lets you yank out weeds without bending or kneeling. The foot pedal gives you extra leverage to really dig in and grab the entire root, preventing those pesky weeds from returning. It's perfect for keeping your garden, backyard, or front yard looking its best. The 3 2.75-inch steel teeth are designed to effectively grab even deep roots. Just step on the pedal, push the tines into the base of the weed, tilt and pull. It works wonders on everything from crabgrass and thistles to dandelions and burdock. Built from durable, high-strength stainless steel, this tool is made to last. You won't have to replace it anytime soon. Weeding becomes almost effortless, minimizing strain and fatigue. This makes it a fantastic gift for anyone who loves gardening, from grandparents to parents and everyone in between. Looking for a chainsaw that's both powerful and safe? The Worx JawSaw is unlike anything else. Its unique design features a fully enclosed guard that retracts when in use, making it the only chainsaw you can safely use directly on the ground. It slices through branches up to 4 inches thick with surprising ease, thanks to its clever single-action cutting mechanism. Plus, it's part of the Worx PowerShare family, meaning the same battery works with over 75 other 20 volts, 40 volts, and 80 volt tools. The auto tension feature keeps the chain perfectly taut for optimal cutting performance every time. An automatic oiler with a handy level indicator keeps everything running smoothly and extends the life of the saw and chain. Weighing just 7.1 pounds without the battery, the JawSaw is remarkably light and easy to maneuver, even overhead. With a no-load speed of 1350 RPM, it delivers fast, clean cuts. If you value safety and convenience, the Worx JawSaw is a must-see. Need precise measurements for your next project? The eTape 16 digital tape measure takes the hassle out of measuring, whether you're working on a home DIY project or a larger commercial job. Its bright red, weather-resistant polycarbonate case means it's easy to spot in your toolbox and tough enough to handle any job site. What sets this tape measure apart is its smart design. 3 memory functions and a handy side button wheel let you store and access multiple measurements effortlessly. No more scribbling down numbers. This means less time recording and more time actually working. The eTape 16 does the heavy lifting for you, providing accurate readings and quick US metric conversions with a convenient ReZero option. If you're looking for a reliable and efficient way to measure, this digital tape measure is a great addition to any toolkit. Need a reliable nailer stapler for your projects? The NEU Master Pneumatic 2-in-1 tool is a great option. It drives 18-gauge brad nails and 1/4-inch crown staples, making it versatile for various tasks. Plus, NEU Master offers replacements instead of repairs, which is a nice touch. This kit comes loaded with 1,000 nails and staples, a carrying case, safety glasses, oil, and Allen wrenches. It's ready to go right out of the box. The tool-free settings make it easy to use, and features like the 360-degree rotatable exhaust, quick jam release, and nail staple view window are really convenient. The magazine holds 100 fasteners, and the sequential trigger adds precision. The rubber grip makes it comfortable to use, and it's lightweight and durable. Operating between 70 and 120 psi, this nailer stapler is perfect for woodworking, upholstery, flooring, molding, roofing, trimming, picture framing, and more. Whether you're a DIYer building a pet house or tackling furniture projects, this tool is a solid choice. So click the link below and subscribe to the channel to discover the latest products to upgrade your life. Looking for a torque wrench you can truly rely on? This one, manufactured in Taiwan, comes pre-calibrated to +94% accuracy, giving you dependable results every time. Plus, it includes a calibration certificate with a traceable serial number, so you know it's precise. Built to last, the reinforced ratchet gear head is made from heat-treated chrome vanadium alloy steel, handling even tough jobs with ease. The unique electro-black finish adds superior rust and corrosion resistance, keeping your tool protected for years. Setting the torque is a breeze thanks to the patent-pending dual-range scale with high-contrast yellow markings on a gloss black background. The reversible ratchet head works in both directions, measuring torque clockwise, and the non-slip knurled handle provides a comfortable, secure grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. If you need a durable, accurate, and easy-to-use torque wrench, this is a great choice. Dealing with piles of old wiring? The CREWORKS electric wire stripper is a lifesaver. This thing zips through insulation at up to 98 feet per minute, thanks to its powerful 180-watt motor and durable steel blade. It's seriously fast. With 5 different feed holes, it handles wires from tiny 0.06 up to a full 1 inch, covering pretty much any common household wire. Setting it up is simple too. Just adjust the blade height with the knob, power it on, and feed your wire through the right hole. There's even an emergency stop button for added safety. The alloy steel blade stays sharp for clean, consistent cuts, and the reinforced aluminum frame means this tool is built to last. Plus, it's compact and portable, so you can easily take it from your garage to a work site or wherever you need it. Turn that scrap wire into cash with the CREWORKS. It's a worthwhile investment. Clogged drains driving you crazy? This power drain snake is a lifesaver. The 25 feet reinforced flexible cable tackles blockages in pipes from 1/4 inch to 2 inch wide, perfect for sinks, tubs, showers, and more. The powered forward, reverse feed, and cable lock make unclogging a breeze. The 1/4 inch twist-resistant cable navigates P-traps and blasts through tough clogs, preventing future buildup. The cordless design and 20-volt max lithium-ion battery offer great freedom and runtime. Plus, variable speed control lets you adjust the power for any job. The rubberized grip handle and built-in LED light provide comfort and visibility, even in tight spots. A rear drain port keeps the drum clean. Forget expensive plumbers. This tool comes with helpful videos showing how to use it for different situations. The cable and 20-volt battery are even sold separately on Amazon. Got questions? Their customer service is responsive via Amazon or email. Looking for a hassle-free way to dispense water from those big 3 or 5 gallon jugs? This electric water bottle pump is a lifesaver. It's super easy to set up and use, lightweight and portable, perfect for picnics, home use, the office, or anywhere you need easy access to water. It's made with safe, high-quality materials, including a food-grade silicone hose, a 304 stainless steel tap, and a durable, odor-free ABS plastic shell. You can rest assured that your water will stay pure and fresh. This pump is designed to fit standard gallon jugs with a 2.16-inch neck, so it should work with most common brands without needing to remove the lid. The simple one-switch operation makes it incredibly user-friendly. Even kids and older adults can easily dispense water. If you're tired of lifting heavy jugs or dealing with messy manual pumps, this electric water bottle pump is a great solution.